Hi artists, now that we've finished making our game pieces, the front of our board, the back of the board if you wanted to, and your logo, it's ready to assemble. And then we'll be done. You're going to get one of these plastic bags. Take your pieces and put them inside the bag. Take your board and carefully put it inside your bag as well. You can then take the logo off of the sticker paper and put it in a nice spot on your bag. The last thing to finish up our game is how are we going to keep it closed? We're going to use a little pipe cleaner. Take the top of your bag and squish it together like this. Take your pipe cleaner, fold it around it, and twist, twist, twist. And now you've got your finished game. The only thing you might want to do is also write your name on it.